Create a new file in the size you want. Divide your canvas in half with a guideline. Open the first photo you want to use. Then select the Move tool. Drag the photo towards your canvas. Press Ctrl+T. Resize the photo and place it on the left side of the canvas. Open the second photo. Drag this photo towards the canvas too. Press Ctrl+T. Resize the photo and place it on the right side of the canvas. This photo should overlap the other photo. Make the foreground color black and the background color white. Select the Gradient tool. Select the foreground to background gradient. Select Layer 2 and add a layer mask. Select the layer mask. Add a gradient from left to right. Move the color stops and the midpoint to blend the photos. And that's how you combine and blend two photos.